What's up, YouTube? Little recap of my 2013 DOT Firework Stash, all DOT Class C. Just give you guys a little rundown on what I'm working with. For all you old school pyros out there, you guys all know what this shit is. No need to tell you guys, but for all you youngsters out there with your Phantom fireworks, your little crappy ass bottle rockets, I'm gonna show you guys some real shit. Right here we got your classic horse brand Thunderbomb Daisy Brick 8016 DOT horse brand Jumpin' Jack. Look at this baby. Nice and tight. Like my lady's culo. And then, in my opinion, one of the best bottle rockets ever made. Air Travel by Horse Brand. Got a few grosses of those. Got some individual packs. And then got a little box of DOT goodies that I picked up. Got some red tip, red lantern DOT whistling moon travelers. These fucking clown any bottle rocket, any whistling bottle rocket made these days. Put them to shame. I think I got like shit 2.5 grosses. Got some Rossi 2-stage silver jets. These are old school. Look at that Visco. They just don't make them like they used to. Couple red lantern starlight candles, 10 shotters. Couple Zenith buzz bombs. These babies fucking blow. Look at that shit. All comping that. Shit, couple strips right there. Just some old school shit. Oh, and I got a loose brick of Thunderbomb fully crimped 2-grainers. The good shit. None of that clay fill garbage. Now to the fun stuff. Old school ash cans. I mean, some people will say they're M80s, but I like to call them ash cans. Got a couple side fused, some top fused, waterproof, and these babies blow. Oh, these babies will fucking fuck you up. And I got your standard, I think these are like 10 grams, 12 grams. Fully waterproof barber poles. And then I got some big boys right here. These are the hitters right here. I think they're about, I believe, 25 grams, 30 grams in these ones. Look at that sidewall. We lit one of these and fucking blew a porta potty in half with this baby. Yeah, these are no joke. Definitely need some space when you like these bitches. And then my all-time favorite, cherry bombs. These don't look all that, but these will blow your fucking fingers off. Very cool. Big thank to my homie for making these up for me. Got another 150 coming. So should be a great 4th of July. Got a couple homemade 3-inch tie salutes. I believe these are 150 grams in these ones. Way more than your basic 3-inch titanium Ledoux bullshit. Then he hooked me up with a 4-inch. I think it's ruby red, half cascade silver. These are badass. These things have a nice spread. But other than that, just want to give you guys a little rundown on my stash. Hope you guys have a safe one out there. And you kids, don't fuck around with these big boy toys. Leave those for the adults. Have a good one out there, fellas. Stay up.